Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing an install of this beautiful Kinky straight 12-inch bob brought to you by Luvme hair. Now inside of the box it came with a few goodies, of course a wig cap, elastic band, this hair tie, some bobby pins, and this edge brush. That'll definitely come in handy later on, and then of course some tweezers. Now this is what the unit is looking like on the inside. It comes with 2 clips and a comb in the middle, and it also comes with a comb at the bottom and some adjustable straps so that you guys can adjust it to your liking depending on your head shape. So I've already worn this wig a few times, and let me tell you, this wig has so much body and it looks so thick. It literally looks like my hair blow dried out. Underneath my bonnet, I already went ahead and blow dried my hair in the middle, and I wanted to show you guys my braiding pattern. It's just 2 small braids around the perimeter, and then I just braided some big braids in the back, as you guys can see. Now I'm just going to go ahead and pin up the middle part of my head so that I can already put the wig on. Now putting on this wig was very easy. It was kind of a little bit stretchy, so the combs weren't pulling on my hair, because sometimes when I do wear U-part wigs the combs tend to pull, but it was very comfortable, so I didn't have to worry about that. So this is what the hair is looking like in its natural state. I haven't blow dried, straightened it, or anything, but honestly this time around I wanted to see what it looked like straightened. So I'm just going to take my flat iron, I believe it's on like 425, and I'm just going to go ahead and straighten it but still leave a little bit of texture. So for each piece that I grab, I'm probably just going to do 1 pass, just because I still want to keep that texture just like how it is in that first part that I straightened. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and straighten the rest of my hair, and then I'll come back when I'm done. So this is what the hair is looking like, you guys, after I finish flat ironing both sides. And the body on this hair is literally chef's kiss. Like, I love it. 10 out of 10. So now that I'm done flat ironing my U-part wig, I'm just gonna go in and flat iron my real hair at the top, since it was already flat ironed before I started, but since I had a clip on it, I kind of like scrunched it up. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and re-flat iron my hair just to make sure that everything looks nice and flat. And for the record, I don't have anything on my hair. I probably should have put like a heat protectant on it, but of course I'm stubborn, so I'm just gonna go ahead and yeah, continue to flat iron my hair to make sure that everything looks nice and flat. So this is what my hair is looking like after I flat ironed it, but personally me, I like a little bit more fullness up at the top since my hair is broken off. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's way much shorter than the other side. So I'm just going to take these itty bitty kinky straight clip-ins from clip-ins that I had laying around and add it to both sides just so I can have a little bit more fullness. I personally think it just looks better in my opinion. So I'm just going to add the clip-ins to both sides. So this is just me using Got To Be spray on my hair because I have a lot of flyaways at the top, and using the Got To Be spray, it just helps keep them down all day. Now, even though I did like the hair the way that it was, I really wanted some face framing pieces in the front. So now you guys are just going to be seeing me cut some layers into the front just to frame my face because I really want it to look like a blowout. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut in a downward diagonal motion. You never want to cut straight across because it'll be blunt, and we don't want that. So yeah, you guys are just going to be seeing me cut layers in the front. I really didn't have any like kind of technique to this except for like cutting in a downward diagonal motion, and then after I cut it I would curl it just to see how it felt in front of my face, and if I didn't like it I would go in and cut a little bit more. So you guys are just going to be seeing me do that repeatedly, cut then curl, cut then curl, and then you guys will see the finished result. And if you guys made it this far, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe of course down below, and let me know what you guys think so far about the video. And this is the finished result. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. This hair looks so natural. I get so many compliments. I love it. It's my go-to wig. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys in my next video.